Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm a Black Rose here. Welcome back. And today I'm excited to do this. I'm ready to do my protective hairstyle for the fall. I'm gonna do a quick intro right now, and then I'll go ahead and go into what I'm doing. So welcome back to my channel, and my name again is pronounced or is spelled AMABLAKROS. I'm a Black Rose. Thank you all so much for the support. I appreciate it, and continue to leave your comments, leave a like. If you like this video, feel free to share it. I appreciate the comments. I'm really happy that I can hear from you and hear the feedback. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and start, but before I start, I'm just going to show you what I have. This Senegalese twist. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm gonna take my time and do this, so I'm not gonna show you the whole process, but I'll cut through what I feel like it's enough for you to see. I have stretched my hair. I already washed it and prepped it ready. I don't know how to do cornrow, so this is gonna be a tutorial about how you will do a crochet but without using cornrow. So yeah, stay tuned and see you. I have a brush, I have a crochet pin, but the beads I'm not going to use. I have scissors, and I'm going to cut the string for you to see the width of the hair. Is very tiny but twist. So I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair, and I'm going to section it into, I try as much as section it into small parts, and I'll do a part box braid, a part twist in the beginning, but this will change. I will try and do it all box braid, so it will be neatly done. But yeah, my hair is thick, so it's always good to have it braided small. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the first one, and I'll start from this one, and then I'm gonna do the first one. So what you need is, you're gonna push the hair at the pin underneath your hair like that. All right, hopefully you can see it, and then push the pin to lock, and then you're gonna go like this, and then you take the hair out. Next is, you know how this is open, the loop right there, you're gonna take it and you're gonna pull it to lock. All right, hi. So I'm on the second one, and my hair is here, and I'll take one string and use it to wrap around my hair first. Alright, so I'm gonna, and then the other string will go to the opposite direction, I think. Yeah, so opposite, so that it looks like the original hair, twisting all the way to the bottom. Okay, if you go clockwise, the next twist will go anti-clockwise. Today I can't speak. Alright, so the next twist will go anti-clockwise like that, and this is how you get it to work. So if it's not big and it's the width of the hair is like tiny like mine, you have to do this method, because I feel like it's much more cleaner and much more helpful. Alright, giving you a little update on how far I have been going. So yesterday I did braid everywhere till this top part, and then I did the crocheting around it, and I think I stopped around 12, you know, so to continue today. So this morning I started braiding. I've been taking breaks, so it's been kind of an hour, and I'm almost done. When I started, I was doing braids in the middle and twist at the end, but my hair is too thick, so I decided to braid it all together, so that I could hide my hair inside the crochet. So far so good. I'm so happy that it's going much more faster now. See my back, this is how it looks right now. All right, I have my hair off. I hope you can see it, right? But I can't wait to show you the finished product. What I'm gonna do is, because I have a lot of kind of gaps. I don't want to have gaps in my hair that much, so I'm gonna go ahead and just crochet in around the spaces that have gaps, so it looks fuller on my hair. I want it to look nice and, you know, uniformed. I'll be seeing you when it's almost done. Okay, so see you in a little bit. Hi. So a little update on my hair. Crocheting. It is about 7:14 p.m. and I'm almost done. Oh, I did the back. Alright, it's all done. I have the front to fill. I just want to fill it up just a little bit for it to look finished and full. And I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right now. Right, so I think here needs some hair. I go in and I push it down like that. Hook it, push it back up, unhook, and with the top part open, the loop, I just pull it like this and we're good to go. We'll do one more and then I'll go finish and then I'll be right back. Okay, make sure the pin is closed, push underneath. Some might open, so I don't know what to do. Just make sure it's carefully underneath the hair and I'll pull it out. And then I'll find the loop like that and voila. So I'm trying to fill it in for it to look nice and well finished. Inside it, I'm like, it's almost done and I'm so happy about it. So I just wanted to come in and say really quick that I was really tired, so this part of the video I speak so low tone. I was tired. Forgive me on that. Enjoy. Thank you. I am completely done with this hair. It's finished. I'm not gonna do anymore. Use all 6 pieces of the Senegalese twist crochet braid. This is how it looks like, the complete product. It took me, I wouldn't even say 2 days, come all together probably 18, so altogether 18 hours, because I had to take my time and do it. And now it looks good. You can see the front part, it looks much nicer. Okay, done it. I think the more you do it, the more you get faster and, you know, used to what you know what to do, so it'll be much faster. I've seen other people kind of say they have like an hour to do it, but I'm new and I'm still trying to do my hair on my own. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm a Black Rose. My name is spelled AMABLAKROS. I'm a Black Rose. Thank you. Stay blessed. Bye bye now.